What's good, YouTube? This your boy, Ghost Fighter 2Ts. You know I'm back with another informative video, and today we're gonna get right on into it without further ado. All I want y'all to make sure that y'all do is y'all hit me with that sub. Yeah, man, hit me with the like. Yeah, and show your boy some love, man. I'm bringing y'all this heat. I'm bringing you these videos. I'm unboxing this just like anybody else that can unbox it, man. If y'all can watch them and watch all their videos, y'all can definitely watch mine. Leave me a like and a sub, man. I appreciate it. I truly do. We on the way to the top, man. We out here. We grinding. All right, so we're going to get right on into it. These are the Skullcandies. I'm recording this in 4K. You will be able to see these up close and personal. And I'll just show you what they look. You can even see the skulls on the front cover. I'll pan real nice and slow so you can just see what they look like. Okay, and I'm gonna read all the information on the side of them. I'm gonna go at an angle just so you can see them. All right, what's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I was having complications with my phone. I'm not sure why it just went haywires, but you can see I have the headphones in my ear. They sound really, really nice. And I will give you the features that it has on the back of the box to wrap up this video. The features of it: battery up to 4 hours of buds, 10 hours in the case. It's water resistant. Use either bud solo, dual microphone, activate assistance, and call track and volume control. The content inside, it's like this package. All this little box. See the little box, it got the logo on it. Sweet. Still using mini USB. Come with the stuff that I showed you guys a little earlier. And you can see on the front it shows truly wireless, made easy. Control mics calls, water resistant, noise isolated. So yeah, that's the full unboxing. You guys want to get you a pair of these, you can try them out. I tried them. I watched them on YouTube. I watched a little bit of music that I had stored on my phone, and I was able to capture really good sound. It's crystal clear. Whatever you got the room setting in, the surroundings of you, it picks it all up so that you can get a nice crisp sound. It's really clear. Is it on the same level as the AirPods? I mean, I guess it's to each his own. Everybody's ears are different, but for me, they would work. But I think I would rather take the AirPods over these, just because these type of earbuds, it's kind of hard to get these type of earbuds to stay in your ear. I mean, it's just like if you don't got the right ear, they're not gonna stay. But for me, I know how to do it, so they stay for me. This concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I wanted to put something together to you know, get you guys maybe something different than just AirPods, man. But AirPods just have that right earpiece make, and they're premium headsets. You can't go wrong with AirPods. But these is another option if you don't have hundreds of dollars to get them. 20. All right, what's good, Ghost Gang? So now that I've finished the other parts of this video, I've been having a lot of trouble because my camera been stopping, but I deleted a lot of videos and stuff that I had saved, but I didn't delete it completely from the phone, so it was still holding on to the memory. So if you have an iPhone and you're deleting stuff and it's still not letting you download stuff, you actually have to go into your photos and delete it out of the trash can. So that was what was going on with mine. I think the same thing I can do to my daughters. I want to tell her about it and go from there. These are good headphones. Would it replace the AirPods? I don't know. I'm pretty sure I put it in the other part of my video, but you can get these to try at $24 at Target. You guys make sure you drop me a sub, like, and comment for me just struggling to put this video together. Now that I got it figured out and my stuff is recording, I hope you guys appreciate it. Let's go to 2Ts, and I'm out.